Hey everyone! If you're enjoying this content and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're on a mission to reach 2,000 subscribers and your support really means the world to us.
Yon, good morning. So August 2, we're actually on our way to bring stock sa tindahan as usual, but after that, we're actually going to be meeting with another VF3 member. This is none other than Mr. DJ DLS. So thank you very much, Sir Johnny. And he will actually be testing out our HT25 shock absorber set kasi he wants to have a feel for it, see if it's a good option for him to upgrade to. And then if ever he will, hopefully we'll also be able to document it para makita nyo how it will go. Ayan, so we'll meet with him in a bit and we'll see you guys later. So if you actually remember, I did mention nung nagpakabit kami ng HT25 na si DJ DLS yung nagsabi that there's actually this motion sickness that he felt when he upgraded to KYB or Kayaba Hyundai Ion. So with this HT25 suspension set being a lot stiffer than that, hopefully hindi niya rin maramdaman dito, or maybe maramdaman niya rin, so we'll see. So I'll have him drive the car and then we'll get his feedback so that you guys would have an informed decision in case you would also want to upgrade to this brand of suspension set.
Ano yung mags mo, stock, yung rim.
Yes, the rims are
tires.
stock. The
Nilulubak
tires
ko talaga.
are sure. So the tires are 205/60. So they're wider and it's all-terrain. So I'm not sure kung naka-all-terrain ka rin yata.
Hindi.
Hindi.
Road tires.
Okay, road tires. So yun. So it gives it a little bit more macho vibes kapag
Subukan natin dun sa mga lubak dito naman may mga drainage dito.
sige.
Dinapa rin dito para ma-compare ko kanina.
That's good.
Yung
Okay.
baseline.
Okay. So it's really going to be stiff. Yan. So stiff talaga siya, pero it eliminated bottoming out.
Less bouncy. Ako naman, yung sa akin, parang never kong naramdaman na nag-bottom out.
Okay. That's good. Oo, correct. Less bouncy kasi it now prevents the springs from recoiling.
Yung KYB dati talaga, kahit bumaba na ako, nakaupo na ako sa bahay, nahihilo pa ako may after effect pa eh.
Oo nga yun nga yung parang napanood namin.
Kaya tinanggal ko siya.
Oo.
Nataga lang ako ng megawatt sa labor. Grabe. Sinisingil ako ng 2.5.
Oh, wow.
Oo, para lang ibalik yung stock. Sabi ko, tatanggap. Yung may-ari kasi wala doon.
Okay.
Tapos nagpatawad ng 500.
Oo.
Samantalang doon sa Caltex, 900 lang ba?
Yes,
Ganun
yes.
lang
That's just for the rear. Pero when I had the HT25 installed, na siya, 2,200. Kasi 4 na siya. So, nung sinabi mo nga you wanted to feel the ride of the HT25, sabi ko baka bumalik yung motion sickness mo kasi definitely this is a lot stiffer than KYB. Kasi from stock to KYB, stiffer na siya
Sa akin, wala naman akong nararamdaman na hilo ngayon.
That's good. Okay.
Oo, kasi nga stiff, tapos ang napansin ko parang less yung swaying.
Yes. Actually, ang ganda ng handling nito when we went to FHV. Antipolo sumulong So may konting twisties. Oo. Ang sarap niya i-drive talaga. Parang gumanda.
Kasi sa BF3 yung McPherson na
Yes.
suspension.
Oo.
Kung naka-McPherson tayo, tapos na yung
Oo. Right. Hopefully makadaan tayo sa humps. Para ma-feel mo rin yung sa humps.
Baba ng state of charge mo pala.
Malayo pa yan.
Bawal nga pala dyan. Hindi tayo pwede sa Timog. Ay, sa Morato.
I see. May ganun na pala ngayon. Okay. And it's also Upcat weekend, Kaya hindi tayo pwede sa UP. Sayang kasi UP is your playground Kabisado mo siya You know all the bumps and humps sa UP.
Sa village actually, mas talagang dun yung true test.
At saka I'm sure ang daming humps sa village.
Oo.
Na normally sa mga villages maraming humps.
Dapat sa concrete wala akong alam na concrete bro dito sa area na to
Matigas talaga, no? Yung
Sarap.
yung horn, hindi, I mean yung horn button natin.
Oo.
So initial impressions, how is it? Pero it's good na hindi ka nagmo-motion sickness
hindi,
ngayon.
hindi.
That's good.
Hindi siya masyadong malayo sa stock.
Okay.
I-test ride mo yun sa akin. Kasi
Sige.
nga naka-wider tires and rims ako
Oh, tsaka you have 15s, di ba?
Oo.
So you also have thicker tires.
Oo.
At 70 series, tama ba? Or 65?
65.
65. So I'm just at 60. Pero definitely wider. Yan, itong mga pagdaan mo sa kanal, ramdam na ramdam mo yung HT25. Ramdam mo yung tigas niya.
Hindi ito na-adjust, no?
Hindi, it's non-adjustable. So this is the basic. I know there are already HT25 parang Pro which are adjustable. Pero it comes with progressive springs. Kaya lang yun, sobrang pricey na. I think double or more the price of this. So that's between 70 to 93,000 I think is the highest price I saw for it. Locally ha?
Mhm.
Local na yun.
Mahal.
Mahal no? Grabe.
Yung ABM, ano yung isa?
ABM.
Oo.
So ABM are a Chinese brand. So
Magkano naman yun?
that's a lot cheaper, even cheaper than this. That's just 26,000.
Kamusta yung ride?
I have yet to ride yung naka full set. Nagsischedule pa ako dun kay Tito B, kay Sir Bernard, para ma-feel ko yung set niya. Pero what's good about that kasi, it's fully adjustable.
Oo nga.
So ride it 1 week, set it at one setting, tapos pag matigas or malambot pa rin, adjust mo lang another week until you really get that setting that would be sa preference mo. Kasi iba-iba naman eh. Tapos syempre, considering yung daily route mo, yung road na dinadaanan mo, so yun, at least ma-adjust mo talaga siya dun sa best setting for you and for your passengers and for your load. Kasi kami stocks.
Oo.
So pag namalengke ko, parang may dalawang sakay agad ako na adults. Kasi mabigat, yes. So, with this stiffness ng HT25, dahil mabigat na ako, ang ganda na nung ride ko. Pero pag ganitong magaang, ayun, sabi nga ni Wifey, matagtag pa rin siya. Pero sobrang laki daw ng improvement, syempre from stock. Kasi anything that we put from, or basta nanggaling ka kasi ng stock, ang layo na agad ng ride eh.
Mamaya test mo yung sa akin.
Sige. Kaya nga very sad kami nung nag-KYB ka.
Oo, nahilo talaga.
Na nagkaroon ka ng motion sickness kami. Kasi for us, tontuwa kami sa KYB. Ayun, so sayang naman. Yun, ang tigas niya talaga eh, no? Matigas talaga siya. Yan. VF3 ni DJ DLS. So ngayon lang ako nakakita ng Comforcer na highway terrain. HT.
Oh, yan.
HT, highway terrain. Ganda. So, the specs of DJ DLS's VF3, TSR. So, the mags are TSR 15s. Tires are 205, 65, 15s. No spacer. Meron.
5mm.
So meron siyang 5mm na spacer.
Kaya ako lang nilagay yun kasi pag nag-extreme turn cut to the right,
Sumasabit. Okay. Sa fender liner, ano?
pag gumaganon yung suspension, sumasayad yung gulong dun.
Doon sa likod.
Dito.
Ito. Okay. Kasi sa likod, hindi ka nag-spacer. Okay. That means, mataas ang offset ng mags mo. This is at siguro mga 38-40. Oo. Kasi kapag sa mags, the higher the number, the inner it goes. Kaya advisable for the VF3s na nasa mga 35 ka pababa. Especially if you'll be using all-terrain. Yan. So, meet up kami ni DJ DLS here sa Guda, Timog. He was able to drive the car around with the HT25 shocks. So, he'll be able to give a good review on it, his very own opinion on it, and then hopefully if ever he decides, he has an informed decision na. Yan. So good luck, DJ, on upgrading your suspension. Yan. So nagpa-split seats na rin si DJ DLS. So he mentioned na si Leatherland naglalagay ng kahoy, no?
Oo, mga kahoy.
Parang plywood na makapal, ano? Baka plywood na demedya. Oo nga. Oo nga.
Tigas na yan.
So hindi mo na kailangan ng B-factory. Pero they don't put anong tawag dito? Wala namang bar or anything. Just the wood siguro.
Pero pag inupuan mo siya, it doesn't sway.
Okay, that's good.
Kaya solid pa rin.
Pero the white leather cover, Leatherland.
Hindi.
Ah.
Ito lang ginawa ng Leatherland.
Yung split lang talaga. Okay. Oo. Okay Ay, ang ganda ng side mirror. Ang laki.
Yeah, like that.
Yung kay no?
Kevin Pat.
Kay Papa P. Kay Mr. Polo.
Sponsored.
Napakaganda naman pala niya kasi. So far, ang setting, ang drive mode mo is Eco or Sport?
Eco lang.
Eco, okay.
Tapos ang tawag nito, ano kaya magandang wiper blade option? Kasi may nakita ako nag-post 1,700, ang mahal.
Ang mahal naman, pero baka pair na.
Pair, pero mahal pa rin.
1,700.
Oh.
So that's how much? 800 each or
Okay.
850 each. I think that's tama.
Pwede na yun.
That's tama. That's fair.
Kasi na-experience mo rin yun, di ba? Yung pag...
Tumatalon.
gagawin. Pangit eh.
Oh. This is the 2026 model DF3 kasi wala ka ng heater.
Wala na.
Ako kasi meron pa eh. And I've heard na yung mga 2026, yun nga, ang tahimik na talaga ng VF3. Pero so far, yung rack and pinion mo, napaayos mo na.
Twice.
And there's a version 1 and a version 2.
Hindi ko alam.
Yun. So, merong version 1, it's the same rack and pinion, kaya kahit magpalit ka nun, wala, maingay pa rin siya.
Oo.
Kaya good na, baka version 2 na yung nilagay.
Tahimik na yan, di ba?
Oo, tahimik siya. Yung sa akin, narinig mo naman, di ba? Lumalagotok
Yun,
talaga.
narinig mo
Yun, meron. So, have it
Tinitiis
checked.
ko na lang yun.
Pero have it checked kasi nga, may version 2. So,
Wala pa sila eh.
Ayun, so baka 1 pa lang yung nilagay nila.
Diba? Halos pareho lang eh.
Oo nga.
Wala siyang drastic difference.
Correct. Oo.
Kasi tingnan mo sa akin,
Kasi
halos
ito,
pareho lang
it's
eh.
all stock, pero ang ganda nung ride niya. Oh.
Diba? Halos walang difference. Kaya sobrang drastic for me. Diba? Nung nagpalit akong KYB, para akong umaalon.
Kasi tumigas.
Lumambot yung KYB.
Kasi lumambot. Kasi matigas na to as
Oo.
is. Okay. So parang ang nangyari sa'yo, ang softest mo, yung KYB.
Oo.
Sa amin, ang softest,
Right.
yung stock.
Oo.
So from...
Kaya sa inyo, nagbo-bottom out kasi hindi bumabalik.
Yes.
Ito never nag-bottom out.
Yes. Kaya nga, I think this is the normal.
Oo.
The true normal. Ramdam mo yung bumps dito, kahit yung maliliit. So I think our stock shocks were really the problem.
Oo.
Kasi ito stock, ang ganda eh.
Oo.
Kaya naman pala nagkaganon ka sa KYB. Now I get it. Oo, now I get it. Oo, maganda yung ride niya.
Oo. Lalo na nung nagpa-max.
Oo.
Kasi yung stock to, hindi ganyan.
Oo, kasi ang kitted din naman ng stock.
Oo, ang laki ng difference.
Kaya pala, ang ganda for you nung nagbalik ka ng Max.
Oo.
Okay. So, yun nga. I think yung stock shocks namin yung naging problema.
Oo. Na sana, napawaranty nyo pa.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, tama ka, no? Sana napawaranty namin.
Kasi baka napalitan ng bago.
Nung tama.
Oo.
Nung ayos. Oo nga. Even the...
the turning, kapit na kapit, di ba?
Pati yung handling niya.
Oo.
Na siya. Kumbaga, improved na from what we felt nung bago yung VF3 namin. So, yun nga, baka yung shocks nga.
Oo.
Baka lemon, ano?
Siguro. Kasi nga, dapat bumabalik yun.
Correct.
Kasi sa akin, dinemo nung si Caltex guy eh. Bumabalik eh.
Okay. Oo nga.
Diba?
Now I understand it. Now I get it kung bakit hindi pumatok sa'yo yung KYB. Kasi from your stock, ang ganda na.
Oo.
Hindi mo kailangan magpalit. For me, ha?
Oh, ako din.
For me, ha?
That's how I feel.
Oo. Na, gagastos ka pa. Ang ganda na nung ride mo. Oo nga. Oo. This is what
Dapat may experience.
This is what a brand new VF3 should feel like. Pero may kinalaman kaya yung 2025 and 2026 model?
Hindi ko alam.
No?
Siguro.
Oo nga. This is what the stock shocks should really feel like. Okay, cool. Yun, so thank you very much, Mr. DJ DLS. Appreciate you hanging out this morning. And thank you, and we'll definitely meet again soon. Yon, so thank you very much, DJ DLS. It was a pleasure meeting and seeing you again. It was really nice getting to know you a little bit more. I'm very happy na hindi ka nagkaroon ng motion sickness kasi kinakabahan ako if you would drive my VF3 kasi nga I know matigas ang HT25, baka magka-motion sickness ka, so kinabahan ako ng konti, pero I was very happy learning na hindi ka nagka-motion sickness. And yes, stiffer talaga siya. So when I drove the car of DJ DLS, so his shocks are working as expected. So in my honest opinion, also a suggestion, no need to change anything. And ang laking bagay na nagpalit siya ng 15s. It gave him the opportunity to put in thicker tires that helped with the overall suspension feel. Thicker yung tires, kaya mas okay siya. Ang ganda na nung ride nung VF3 mo, huwag ka na magpalit, gastos lang. Unless you would opt to go for an adjustable shock absorber set, that's okay. Kasi baka pwede mo pang tigasan or palambutin pa to your liking. Pero the way how your car feels right now, no need to change anything. So yun, so thank you very much for letting me drive it as well. So on our way to Mega Mall, mag-iikot lang kami ni Wifey. And then we'll call it a day. So thank you. Abangan nyo yung upload ni DJ DLS when he rode my VF3 on an HT25 shock absorber set. Thanks. And we have noticed you have been watching our video. So thank you. Thank you very much. But please do not forget to subscribe because it will really help us grow the channel and help us create more content just for you.
Quick reminder, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're so close to 2,000 subscribers and you clicking that button really helps us out. Thank you for being here.